Don't have your memories bigger than your dreams. Don't have your hurts bigger than your hope. Don't have your fear bigger than your faith. And they're like Lot's wife, going forward, looking backwards. This is what he did to me. This is what she did to me. It's not fair, and you're no longer progressing. Why? Because you're stuck in the past. Get unstuck. Are right ahead of you. Everything that you went through was to prepare you for what you're about to get into. God didn't leave you. God didn't abandon you. If you have breath, you have purpose. We're only existing. And then 20 years later, they bury us. But for those 20 years, we simply wasted air. Don't waste your life. Live. Dream. Be alive. Don't just exist. looking back at this year, this has been the hardest year. You couldn't control that. But you decide whether it will be your best year spiritually.